changes. We are starting to get drywall. Oh my God. Look at this. Wow, this looks crazy.
Warning.
Ship 0.5. Hold on. Garage is insulated. Oh, powder bath? Dang, they closed it all up. Wow, crazy. This is so cool. Still insulation in there. Wow. It looks so different. See how much drywall is over here. I know. Some drywall going up in here. Wow. What wall? Oh, ooh, we gotta check that out. Okay, guest bathroom. Looking good. Closet area for guest. Guest bedroom. Very exciting. Okay, let's walk through. Wow, this is so cool seeing it all closed in. And they put all the retaining walls up outside. Let me check that out. Oh yeah, I see. The other house's fence, got it, okay. Cool. Okay, upstairs. Dying to see upstairs. They had a lot of drywall sitting up there waiting to go up. Oh, I see what Jonathan meant about they're gonna come back and secure the vents, okay. Oh, try to be careful. Let's just take a look from down here. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Crazy. We were just here yesterday, and the only thing they had been doing yesterday was finishing up the insulation. So they did all this drywall today. Here's Canary's room. Yeah, they put all this drywall up today. Her closet.
Should look better.
I think this is where one of the, I think that's a linen closet actually. Dakari's room. Wow, crazy. Another bathroom. Very cool. Oh, shoot. We're heading into the primary. Oh my gosh. It looks huge with all the walls up. Wow, bathroom.
Little bathroom.
Wow, look at our bedroom.
Bam. Look at that. He is so big.
Wow. Ooh, this room gets really good light. Perfect for filming.
Look, these couples, they
Really? Let me see. Which one are they going into? Oh yeah, they just got their lot poured. Dang, look at that hallway. Wow.
everyone looking good.
This is the closet.
She's dark.
Yeah.
So darky.
This is definitely the coolest change I think we've seen in the whole process. It's like the biggest change, actually seeing the drywall going up and seeing the house with the walls up and everything. So this is the coolest point we've gotten to so far. It's a big milestone. It's very exciting. We were just here yesterday and now they have the stucco on the outside. That's crazy. Oh, it's so exciting. Wow, it's looking like a house. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're right. That sand was for that.
That's what it's for.
Damn. Still looks the same in the inside.
They did
Yeah, so they finished
yesterday.
all the
They did that
drywall
today.
then. Yeah, they finished the drywall in the kitchen today. This is so cool.
Coats right here.
Yeah, that's like a little closet. Garage. That's a powder room. Little bathroom. Dang, this is crazy. And then, oh, look at, you can't even go outside on the patio because of this, all this stuff. Here's the guest suite, bathroom, bedroom. Damn, crazy. They did all that stucco in one day. I wonder how many layers they do. I wonder how many layers they do of the stucco. Yeah. I want to see upstairs. Looks different. This is so cool. This bathroom right here still looks the same. Canary's room. Dakari's room. Damn, these doorways are so high up. It's crazy. I never realized how tall the doorways are. Look, like the doors, how tall up they are. Dang, that's up there. I don't think I showed you guys this yesterday, but this is the laundry room. And I was confused about this on the ground because to me that looks like a toilet plumbing fixture and not a washer plumbing fixture, but I could be wrong. Here's our bathroom again. And the closet that you can't really see. And our bedroom. Made it to the backyard. So yeah, it's getting there. So cool. Huh?
I'm going upstairs.
Yeah, we're going upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Go ahead. Wow. You see your closet?
It's a big
I know.
This room sucks. Mine is better. My room is better.
So cool. This is so cool. It's so cool to see it with the walls up. Buddy, stop.
What is it? Oh,
This is the upstairs, like, TV room, living room.
what's this?
This is my bedroom.
No, it's not.
This is the bathroom.
That's okay. What's this?
That's my bedroom.
What's this?
My closet.
Oh.
That's my closet. That's the bathroom. That's the toilet.
This is a bathroom.
So the shower and the tub, and then 2 vanities. Yeah, and the bedroom. What? Poop? What like rat poop or what? Oh, that's not poop, buddy. They were just testing the water. This is the laundry room. So this is where the washer and dryer will be and all that stuff. I know, it's huge. That's like a linen closet after, past the laundry room. What?
Bro, why is your bathroom so big? No, why is your closet so big?
What do you guys think? Look, the fences. The fences are up. The pavers. Oh my God, it looks so good.
1510 East.
I know. Look at our backyard. Oh my goodness.
Jesus Christ. Open a window.
Ooh, that's the bathroom cabinet.
I mean, that's probably.
Oh, so this is the paint color. This is the official paint color. I like, oh, look at the texture. Remember you know the walls in Idaho? I was telling my parents, I think our texture is gonna look just like it, and it does. That's exactly how the walls texture in Idaho looks like. No, that's for the bathroom. I love the color of it. I love the way that the color looks. What do you think? It looks good with the black handles too. Yeah, it's gonna go right there. There's the tub and the wall niche closet. Oh, let me see that. Yeah, that's where the optional washer and dryer can go, so that can be used for anything else. Wow. This is the paint color. It looks good. Yeah, I know. They did some of the baseboards.
All the way up here, scratch.
I know. He said Jonathan told me there's gonna be imperfections in the walls when it's not finished. He said those things will be finished before everything's completed. Yep. I really like the way the cabinets look. I'm really happy with them. What do you think?
I thought you want, what's the gold thing?
Well, these are temporary. We just put these because they, oh look. Soft close. Look. See that? The cabinet colors look really nice. I like them. This can be like a little coffee station right here. Nice. They're gonna put this, see how they have this color of the cabinet?
Yeah.
That's gonna go on this side too. Yeah, it's called a cabinet skin. Once all these other things are in, I think, probably. They look so good. I'm so happy with them. The cabinets, they look so good. And look, it's going to go around our refrigerator. So it's like built in. Okay. Oh, let's go in this bathroom. Nice. You can barely tell that there's a soffit up there. It doesn't even get in the way. So this is where the control panel thing is gonna go right there. Yeah. Put a table right here with a tree. I know. Oh, yay! I don't think there's anything in there. Oh, yeah, there is. Oh, wow. I said I don't think there's anything in there. Oh, okay. That looks nice. Yeah, a lot of stuff.
Detergent stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, well, detergents can go up here.
Mm-hmm.